Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm so excited to show you how I just achieved a bomb wash and go. Check out my curls, right? Like, they're so defined and it's so cute and super simple. I have tips, I have products, and everything you need to achieve your own wash and go. Keep watching the video. So I'm starting my hair off on freshly washed hair. I'm gonna start in the middle as I have my hair separated into sections to make this way easier to do the wash and go. So I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner in first, start on the middle section. I use a lot of leave-in conditioner when I do a wash and go because I want it to last for a long time. So I'm gonna put a lot in there. Each time I'm gonna add more to smaller sections and I'm gonna separate my hair so I can put the product in for the wash and go. Here I'm gonna begin with the black castor oil, one of my faves. It's pretty heavy, it's pretty thick. So I'm gonna add that to the hair to keep it moisturized. I like to use 2 fingers to just add the black castor oil, enough in the hair so it is not dry. Again, the wash and go needs to stay really moisturized so it can last long. Then I love to come in with my Eco Styler Gel, the green bottle. It's so great, it's super cheap. And I put a lot of that in my hair to make sure that it's curly. As you can see, my pieces have gotten smaller, so I'm going back through with the Denman Brush, combing it through again and again until I fully feel like it is moisturized. If it's a little dry, I add more Eco Styler Gel to secure the wash and go. All right, so on a smaller section here, I'm beginning with separating the hair with my finger and twisting it around the ends as I go. I like to follow the natural separation of the hair, but if there is not any separation in the pieces, I make my own. Slowly bring it around my finger, twist it, and then I release. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. As you can see, I've already finished the middle section. It looks white, but I promise you guys, it's gonna dry, and it will not be white when I dry. Looking good. All right, guys, doing the same thing on this side, following the same routine. Adding the leave-in conditioner, followed with the black castor oil, and then a lot of gel. Combing through with the Denman Brush, making sure it's nice and moisturized. I don't leave anything left alone. Remember, curls need love. They definitely need love. Twisting around my finger and releasing just to make sure that the curls are secure. And as we can see, it's looking good. The curls are popping and defined. Super excited. All right, so I'm finishing up here, same routine at the top. As I finish here, you can see that everything looks nice and defined, nice and curly. It does look white, but I promise you it will dry overnight. So I'm gonna secure my curls with a shower cap. Yep, a shower cap. Yes, it's so simple. I sleep in this. I'm putting all the curls in the shower cap so it stays moisturized when I sleep. So when I wake up, it's still wet. And then I'll let it air dry. So push all them curls in. Even a little product left on my finger, no big deal. Then I'm gonna come back over and I'm gonna use a bonnet and I'm gonna cover that as well. I sleep a little rough, not gonna lie, really rough. So I need to put a bonnet on and I'm gonna come back in with another bonnet. This is my big bonnet I use for my twist outs, braids, everything. It's all in my face, doing a lot. But I love to secure my hair with another bonnet because I sleep really rough. All right, time for bed. So I wake up in the morning and I see here now, you guys notice that I'm taking off both the bonnets and the shower cap and my hair is still gonna be wet. It's still white, but I promise you when the air dries, it will not be white. It will be a regular color of my hair. I like to shake it out, separate a little bit with my fingers, making sure everything is not matted together, and I'm ready to let it air dry throughout the day. Looking good, sis. All right, so after it's air dried, I use my favorite tool, the pick. I go in and I pick out my hair, guys. This shows you how I get my hair to get fluffy. It shows the definition, the volume, It gives my hair the growth that it needs because right now the wash and go looks real stagnant and I need some support from my pick. So I'm going through, I'm picking, I'm using my fingers, I'm separating, I'm pulling it out. Being gentle because I don't want to destroy the curls, but I do want volume. Volume is my goal when I do twist outs or wash and goes. Now I'm gonna go through with my finger, just pulling it apart, separating. Making sure it's fluffy. There are no curls being left alone. Curls need love. And this is how I achieved my looks. Super excited. It looks super good. Can't wait for you to try this with me. Thanks guys so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to see more videos, you gotta like and subscribe.